Hi guys, this is the MACC 411A automatic bandsaw equipped with a 600mm carriage in feed, completely guarded, and can be used in manual, semi-automatic and automatic cycles. This is the MACC Top 10S touchscreen. In a manual environment for this particular machine, you have carriage left, i.e. away from the vise, carriage right. You also have the option to select the length in which you want the carriage to be in. By pressing go to, the carriage will move. Blade up, blade down, blade speed, and also at the same time you can change the blade speed in the manual environment, semi-automatic. Vice open, vice closed, vice closed. Number one will be the fixed vice, and as you can see from the arrow, open, vice, carriage, close, vice, carriage. You can also change the areas in which you choose, whether it be water or spray if it's equipped to your machine. In an automatic environment, this is where you program the list of cutting. As you can see from the start, you have a coolant on or off, blade rotation, bar width, bar length, and an optimization mode, i.e. minimum waste. By hovering and selecting over the box, you can change the length of pieces that you wish to cut. So length 200mm, 10 pieces. Second line 175mm, 48 pieces. When you have written the program you wish to cut in an automatic environment, it shows you from the set length of bar of 6 meter, this will be the optimization of the bar. By lowering the blade just above the material and pressing the start button, the automatic cycle will start. Once you've programmed your list of cutting and every individual piece that you've inserted into the program is ready, you're then in the environment for cutting in an automatic cycle. Once you've placed the material inside the machine and you've lowered the blade just above the top of the material, we are now ready to press the start button. When you press the start button, it's going to start with completing a trim cut. This will give you the datum for the overall measure. The carriage will return to the furthest part away from the blade. The clamp will close and the head will come down through the first trim cut. Once complete, the head will rise, the fixed vise will open, and the carriage will bring or transfer the material underneath the blade for the second cut. That's your first piece within the program complete. And the cycle will continue until either the program is complete or the bar is finished. By removing the material guide placed here and releasing this lever, you can rotate the blade through 45 degrees left and 45 degrees right. By moving the vise to the right hand position, i.e. sliding the vise across, you can also swing the bow to the left. Movable guide arm to allow great accuracy between both guide blocks when cutting. Once adjusted, lock off with the lever. Coolant is supplied and recycled through the machine at the entry side of the cut, the exit side of the cut, and also an additional tube to clear any unwanted swarf from the bed of the machine. On a bandsaw, it will create swarf or chips when cutting. They will fall through the back of the machine and in the surrounding areas, be caught within a tray within the back of the machine, which can be easily emptied by pulling this tray, emptying the chips and replacing. As explained, you can open this guard and pull through the material manually, as well as guards that you can access all the major areas for adjustment. There is the main isolator at the front of the machine, and to the left you will find the descent regulation, i.e. the speed of the blade that's coming down through the cut, and a vice pressure regulator for thin wall tubes. The 411A, you have a wash down gun as well, easier to clean the swarf away from the machine, keeping all the areas of feeding and clamping clear of swarf and debris. Thanks for watching. We have this machine and more in stock and ready to demonstrate at the ITM showroom in Brisbane. For more information, visit our website at maccmachinery.com.au.